Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of LEGO History. Today we're taking a look at Fox International, but there's already a Fox International and it has the 20th Century Fox Studio. It's the 20th Century Fox thingy. But anyways, Fox 2003 to the present, we have F, and that has basically a white line in it, forming an O, and an X that looks like it was taken straight from the FX logo. Including that, F. You can just try to combine them too. Let's see. Anyways, here's the blue variant. Here's the orange variant. Star. 2021, tentative. I don't know. But I guess it's going to be replaced with star. Well, that means if American Dad, if it still even airs anymore, and Family Guy will be airing on this channel called Star. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Is this the same exact thing like Disney did with 20th Century Fox and changed up to 20th Century Studios? No! No! Why? Why? Okay, just next episode is gonna be on Empire Today. Thanks for watching and peace. You know what? Next episode is not going to be Empire Today. That's going to be on Local History Ultra. And guess what? I'm not going to edit it on KineMaster because then it's just impossible to... And I have to download every single end tag. Every end tag Empire Today has to offer. Yes. I'm not lying. Seriously. Come on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Next episode is gonna be whatever you guys request or just a random local thingy. Like, I don't know, probably yeah, Pringles is gonna be up next. Bye. Local History Ultra is gonna be uploaded today.